Morning, guys. Good morning, good evening. Welcome, everyone. Greetings. Greetings for a happy Tuesday. Ready for the show, ready for the streaming. How you doing? How is your time? Look at that daily. Look at that daily for Nasdaq. Oh, yeah. We're going to discuss about it. Yeah, there's one thing I'm wondering, guys. This one. That's what I'm wondering. That's what I'm questioning. You guys can help me with the proper response. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Greetings. Let's just go ahead and like the video, everyone. Come on. Like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord, join the giveaway. You want to do the same thing, invite people. Pretty much in all the trading groups, you can do the same thing. Just invite everyone. We're live. Discord, Telegram, WhatsApp. All the trading groups you guys are aware. Invite fellas. Oh yeah. Let me be that 26,400s on Nasdaq. 26,400s. Oh. Wow. What do you guys think about 26,400s? Would you like that? I bet you would say, certainly. You wouldn't say no. Here we go. That could be the tap for now. Well, very likely for a significant period of time, it is. It is. For a significant period of time, looks like that. But I am wondering about 26,400s. Last year's high, 26,400 as well. And we have a massive double top there. This correction is probably going to be different. I'm expecting something similar to this part. In continuation, if this is going to be a correction. Right? So something, what you see on the left side from the bulls. Now, tomorrow we got the FOMC. Very likely to go for a pause. Good morning, good day, guys. Good evening. Thank you so much for joining. Very likely to go for a pause, but the press conference is going to be the big deal, the statement. It's FOMC week. Markets are going to act heavy. Let's just dive into the 5-minute perspective. It's choppy. And I like to start share with you some more data on 15-minute, which is still choppy. Oh, yeah. Based on the 4 hours and daily and the weekly, I would consider a domination by the shorts. And then, of course, short-term longings needs to be really well adjusted on take profit. Really well. So you can't be greedy with longs, but you can. And from the way it looks like, you can certainly be greedier with shorts. From the way the whole picture is positioned, oh yeah. We're gonna trade our Lucid accounts to daily, Lucid daily. You know, yesterday we only traded one on 150k, and we got to the daily target of 4,500. Today we actually pass the Lucid daily and have it funded. Thank you, Big Bear Carlos. Thank you. Oh, you got heavy to that? Well, we have our chance of having the funded accounts. What is it today? Tuesday. I'm planning to have the ability to run, to pass some Lucid daily accounts this week. Some. Yeah. It's just that I've got my funded spots completed up, right? I'm not trading with Take Profit Trader, no. No. I'll make a video comparison between Take Profit Trader and the Lucid Daily. Good evening, Maddie. Welcome, everyone, and great to see you guys. We're going to continue with our Blue Sky as well. Pretty exciting situation for our Blue Sky buffer stage account. We passed the evaluation with this one, and we already made 1,000, guys. It's the 200K static propel. Yeah, 200K static propel accounts. Our target for the buffer stage is 3,000. With a 2,000 static, we made 1,000 in profit. So we have $3,000 right now drawdown, and 2,000 more is needed. We actually reversed the numbers. For Blue Sky, you go to all the links here. Indeed, but the big deal is running around the Lucid right now, guys. So max discount, always Scrembo coupon code at any time for any plan or any package. Lucid daily is daily payouts, no consistency, and no cap. Flex is having a cap. It's not daily payouts. Obviously, it's a whole different game. Yeah. With that intraday, we're gonna find out. We're gonna find out a way trading that intraday on Lucid. I can tell you. We're gonna find a way around it. And we'll continue with our FundedSeat. Oh yeah. I'm thinking about a short here. So I'm shorting my Blue Sky static accounts. That's what I'm starting on. I gotta do the math. Feel free to invite people on stream, guys. I gotta do the math. 3,034% consistency. Let me do that quickly. 34 of 3,000 is 1,020. So that is the highest. Exactly. Intraday on the funded stage, you can have end of the day in your evaluation. I went for end of the day on evaluation. There is an intraday in the funded stage for Lucid daily until you touch your buffer. Jonathan, I'm gonna have a surprise for you, and we're gonna have a company where you can do end of the day and not intraday for that segment we're talking about. Which is going to be crazy, I can tell you. With a max payout per user, $100,000 in this kind of things. Oh yeah. I'm out of this trade, I don't like it. 119. I'm out of that trade, I don't like it. So there is going to be soon an option presented by me where, oh, look at that sell-off. Where there's not going to be a segment of intraday. It's going to be fully, completely end of the day. Yeah. I'll tell you more about it a little later. It's not live yet. Fixing the green tea. And here it goes for the short. I have been wiped out by that candle. Had to exit. It was a possible reaction point, and I couldn't short a bottom. Sometimes my trades require the very movement to follow my predicted direction. Exactly, Big Bear Carlos. Exactly. Yeah. Chase everyone. Have a good time. Chase everyone in a green tea. Taking it slowly from here. Yeah. Not an easy moment for the VWAP. Not an easy moment. About to cross this. Good morning, good day. Welcome, guys. I'm having a great time. Having a great time. Oh, yeah. Welcome, guys. Welcome, buddy. We're going to open up our Quant Tower. And there will that one as well. This account on FundedSeat, instant funding, Bolt is sitting in a very, very comfortable situation. Yeah, that's what I'm expecting too. A lot of choppiness, which means our trading strategy will require to take profit at meaningful levels without expecting to be greedy. Oh yeah. You can't be greedy in a choppy environment. Market takes everything, But this 5-minute candle is very interesting at this level, guys. It is denying the previous rejection on the 15-minute too. So the market is actually trying to speak a different language, forcing the supply located slightly around the 50s. Yeah. Good morning, good day. Thank you so much. Oh. You will recover, buddy. You will strongly recover. Yeah. You will strongly recover. Here's the Lucid daily account we want to trade, on which we actually made yesterday half of. We got a 50% consistency on this. If we pass this account today, we're going to have it funded, and it's going to be the first Lucid daily funded account. We will have to deal with the intraday afterwards. We'll see the way it works, but I got a strategy on taking profits and scalping. You know, that's crucial. Without expecting. I'm shorting here. We have a daily loss limit of 2,700. 2 minutes short here. I'm landing a short for my Blusky. I'm landing a short for my FundedSeat. So I'm landing a short pretty much everywhere. Oh yeah. This is basically the pattern of fake out. This looks like the pattern of the fake out so far. Couple of red candles here would be extremely welcome. Adding another contract to this, we're sitting on 3 minis. And another one basically, so 4 minis. Oh yeah. The entry is on 27. Oh. 4-minute short. We're not doing 10 minis, even though there is no scaling rule. This is Lucid daily account, guys. Second day for my evaluation stage. Yesterday we hit the target of 50%. So even though there is no scaling, I could do 10 minis, but with a stop loss of 2,700, it's not a good idea. I need more flexibility on that. I like this so far. We're up nicely. We're up nicely. Even for our blue sky, we're up 400 bucks, $500. I'm gonna hold this. I'm gonna hold this. We're up for the funded seat, 200. Yeah. We're up for the Lucid, 1,300. I'm still holding on this. Oh. Beautiful rejection. Absolutely lovely. Yeah, we have the account. The big belly account is there. You want to see the big belly account, right? 404. There you go, buddy. 404. I'm still holding on my short here. You guys must enjoy that tap take short. Thank you, appreciate it. We just got a 15k payout from this Lucid account. We made a video on that. So if you made 1,900 today, lose $400 and keep it on 1,500. If this is not gonna beautiful, I'm selling 2 contracts. Yeah, so I close half of my position and I'm trailing basically for the rest here, and I'm gonna sell something from my other firms as well, like fully get it out here on Blue Sky, fully get out here on FundedSeat. 858 on this crazy Blue Sky, almost hitting my full target of the day. But then here I'm also going to be out, guys. I'm gonna trail, but I'm trailing very close. 2 minis. We secured 1,200 and now we're still trailing. We're still trailing. I'm still trailing. Oh yeah. Oh look, I'm out here. 2,716, absolutely perfect. Oh my gosh, the adrenaline is so high here. Full blast short. Tap tick entry. Perfect execution. Overcutting, that's the pattern. You overcut, you dump it. You keep the choppy language active. Have a look into this one, guys. Our shorts were right there as soon as we overcut, as soon as you overcut. Some of you said there is no trend today. It's just liquidity grab, liquidity grab. Yeah, that's the daily account, buddy. Daily account, we traded yesterday. This only needs another 2,000 bucks, less than that, and we have the first daily account funded. 24 hours after the purchase. I could actually, if I get this one funded today, you guys know I could get my first payout today from here. Because I'm trading without consistency. And anything above the buffer is going to be ready to pay out. So I just have to achieve the buffer and then execute for lovely resources. Not really focusing to achieve a payout today here. I'm not even able because we have 5 funded. So I'm passing the evaluation on this one and I'm not going to be able to trade it because we've got 5 funded on Lucid. The thing is, I don't want to lose Lucid funded accounts to... Thank you, guys. Hi, welcome, good morning, great to see you guys. Oh, we're having a good time. We're having an absolutely good time here. Even for Blue Sky, guys, even for Blue Sky, we have a tremendous target. I'm not going to touch this anymore today. Wow. We're only $1,100 for the Blue Sky to pass the buffer stage. And then we're going to trade basically with the buffer we made with daily payouts and no consistency on a 200k static. We're going to get the buffer of 3,000, so we're going to get that 3,000 balance and trade with it. Thank you, Fred. Thank you, buddy. Yeah. So if you have $25,000, 25,000 accounts, then I would trade the London session with 2 micros and the New York session with a single contract. Yes, London 2 contracts, micros obviously, and the New York session a single contract. If you see it's not enough, you can think about for the New York session to double up. AD, congratulations. Which prop firm did you got approved? Which prop firm you got your payout? I think this is your first payout, right? Oh, look at that move. The pattern is still following through. So this money we made here, guys, is very important, and I'll tell you why. The max loss is at 198. It's static drawdown, right? The Propel 200k static, by the way, for Blue Sky, Propel Scrembo 30. Right, so it's $2,000 on the buffer stage for our drawdown. It's static, which means 198. And we got 201,860. So we have 1,860 on top of that, which means we have 3,860 drawdown. Oh, congratulations, buddy. Congratulations. 3,860 drawdown with a target that's 1,140. We're in a very good situation with the Blue Sky, guys. Exactly. If you got your first pound, then you just add a 0 and it's 10. You pretty much don't have to do anything. You just add the 0. Make sure to like the video, guys. I'm repeating. By the time, so we have 1 hour and 25 minutes to touch the target of likes for the giveaways, 180. If we don't have the target touch, we can't do the giveaways. Very simple. Keep that in mind. Giveaways are not mandatory. This is an interesting moment here. Go up today and down tomorrow again. What do you guys think about it? I mean, the 4-hour and the daily looks pretty bad on Nasdaq. You know? The flush stays in the books. Flush stays in the books. I am reshorting my FundedSeat from here, and I am shorting my Lucid daily account, guys. No, I have not traded there. Uh, 26,000. Space Jam 26,000 300s, 400s. Last year. What was it? Last year? Yes, last year highs 26,400. This one. So the target here, I'm going for a $1,000 profit here, guys. Out on 986. Have a look at that supply delivering so far. Lack of acceptance above 28.10. Scrembo is monetizing the language of the market. We're right here about to take profit here to $600 so far. And my FundedSeat is also making good money. I gotta be out 862 from my FundedSeat. Lovely. And I'll tell you, we have a consistency there. So that's why. I'm not gonna turn on the fireworks yet. I like to get up my Lucid one too. Stop loss break even on the Lucid. $35 trailing on profit. Let's go, guys. Yeah. Have a look into that. Yes, Lucid you cash out basically in your bank through work market. Right, so that's the processor. The payment processor for international payments is work market. You create an account with the Lucid invitation on work market and you add your bank account details there. I'm out here, guys. I'm out here. I'll take the profit. 3,324. Celebration time. We only need another $1,000 here. 1,100. Boom. And we're gonna have our first funded. Look at that. Here's the profit for FundedSeat 2, 862. You know, this is $1,500 away from the payout. Looks like late July we are going to secure some nice payouts. Looks like we are securing some nice payouts. For late July. Or at least we have a chance. Exactly. Parvin, if you want to do that through crypto, I can suggest you the EtherFi crypto card with a bank account. Everything attached. You can cash out directly to this. Let me send you the link. That's the link in the chat. The link is in the chat. I talked about it yesterday. You can use that to receive payments. International, basically, EtherFi. You also get a credit card. You can create digital credit cards. Use that to buy prop accounts. Get a 3% cash back on everything. If you don't want to use it around crypto, you don't have to. It's working on fiat without any correlation with crypto stuff. So look at this one, guys. I'm not touching this one yet, even though market's squeezing. We might be guided by a different tape right now, coming into the hourly with the New York session. I am shorting this, guys, on 2 minis. And I'm gonna go break even soon. And I'm break even already. With the exit on 636, come on. Let's go. Let's go. We're break even trailing. Yeah, they got discounts in a lot of the places. Yeah, you can use that credit card. There's a travel part. It's a great company with hundreds of thousands. Trailing profit hit, guys, of clients. Incredible, fast growing. Their app is working nice. You can create a lot of digital credit cards too. We got a lot of guys using it to receive payments directly to a bank account. Oh, beautiful, guys. Look at that 4-hour candles. I mean, 5-minute candles here. No, I'm so happy about the way trading went so far. I don't want to push this. I can even accept this 3,300 on my Lucid on this one today, the way it is. I could accept it. But probably I'm going to go for the entire 4,500. As I told you, I want to do some nice daily accounts. I want to have some nice daily accounts funded for Lucid. This one from EtherFi. Well, let me show you the links directly. This one. You get a credit card, basically, a physical. You also have the ability to generate digital credit cards, right? And you have 3% cash back on everyday purchases. If you want to attach crypto to this, you can attach. If not, you can do fiat. So you can receive from work market international payments from Lucid directly to this EtherFi, which is what a lot of the clients are using it. Is the traditional bank accounts. It's not the same as Rise, because this EtherFi is having a bank account and it's having a credit card. So it has different functions. Wise, I think Wise is having credit card, I think. I'm not sure if Wise is having the ability for you to receive payments on a bank transfer. But the cashback works nicely, 3%. Oh, look at that, guys. Exactly, more like an online bank. International. Yes, it's accepted, of course. You got a Visa credit card. I'm sorry to hear that. An interesting price action here, guys. I don't want to say I'm scared longing, but I'm cautious to touch longs around the supply here. Because that would mean for me to chase the movement in a hope of a breakout, right? So it is not the most rational explanation of a trade. Better flat. You'll hear from me. You will hear from me. We distributed a ton. United States. It is attached to a United States bank account. No matter where are you from, no matter. Lead Bank, I think that's the bank. The name of the bank. And the opening. You guys want to make sure to see the way the algo is supporting the price action here. We've been not receiving acceptance below the algo line, which is not a bad sign as long as you speculate that from the lows and you're near the algo. At this point, the pattern could continue exactly as you see it. So I wouldn't touch here in a hope of a breakout, unless I want to really speculate on that. Thank you so much, guys, for joining, by the way. So the elite Lucid daily accounts from yeah, we're end of the day on the draw for the evaluation. We're all end of the day. Yeah, and I went for daily loss on for the 150k. I mean, I like the difference in the price. I like the difference in the price. For the 50k, it's 20 bucks extra without a daily loss. I also like that I believe at this point of my trading journey, having a daily loss on some of my accounts, not on all the accounts, is contributing to a diverse form of discipline. Not trading Tradeify. No. Right, so a daily loss limit enforced by the company is such a thing that tells you, well, at this point, psychologically and practically, you have to accept the loss. And that is sometimes beneficial for your psychology. Right, so it could be a form of training for you to make a step forward and start accepting stop losses and places you decide. This could be the first stepping stone for that process. It could be. It's not a guarantee. And obviously, it is not necessary. There's no correlation, guys. There's no correlation between the amount of money you're making at the end of the year and the model of daily loss or without daily loss. Daily loss enforced or without daily loss enforced. With the props, it's different than trading on your personal. It's a matter of numbers game, and that's totally different. I am shorting this 2 minis here for my Lucid daily account. Yeah. Yeah, I'm going to be happy about another $500 here. Yeah. Lovely so far. Lovely so far. I'm not trailing yet, even though it's 7 points from my entry. I'm not break even yet. The next candle is important for me. This one. As soon as this candle turns red, I am going stop loss break even as soon as this candle turns red. What are you up to? What are you up to here? I trust the process. As soon as it turns red, I am going break even. I'm actually going... Oh, there you go. It's red. I'm going break even. Yeah. We're 2 points away. The trailing didn't touch. We're touching the profit soon, guys, with this. We were so freaking close. Come on, guys. Exactly. Trailing stops past the buffer. I'm out of this trade. I'm out of this trade. I'll take that whatever, $100, $200. I'll take that. Exactly. It stops. Intraday stops past the buffer for Lucid, guys. Lucid daily. A best in the space. By far. By far. 1,000 more. Indeed. And we're gonna be amongst the first having a funded account of Lucid daily. Amongst the first. I mean, Lucid is having 350,000 traders, but we're gonna be in that top few percent. It's just 24 hours since this plan is live. It will be a different experience, yes. We gotta get used to the trading conditions. And we will. Good morning, good day. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Appreciate it. Keep in mind, we gotta touch those likes. 180 to do the giveaways. That's the target. So the choppiness here is still messing around. Average payout time, minutes. Just incredible. It's like free money. They're handing out free money. You guys think this model of accounts will resist? I'm testing along here. 2 minutes long. If the pattern continuously remains respected, so I'm just targeting 19, another 10 points from here. Oh yeah, come on guys, push. I don't want to take a take profit higher than the supply, which means I'm not requesting the price action for a breakout. Yet if they do reject on me like that, I'll have to be out. It's gonna change the game. It will. It will. I mean, it is already changing this game in a crazy way. Oh, the Target has been touched, guys, of my long 4,078 profit. We're celebrating. Come on, guys. We're celebrating because we're only $430 away to have our first account that we got funded. No accounts have been lost. This is crazy. The first traded, first funded. You see, I'm not switching between accounts. I'm not even trading the funded ones we have. I am not even trading the funded ones we had yesterday. I'm so focused to separate things and deliver my best. This is the way I can keep up with full focus and deliver my intellectual abilities to this game. 4,078 today. Oh, oh, oh. Ah, ah, ah. Exactly. But oh, this is why I exit. Look at that. It is preparing for a squeezing. It is. So we got a massive profit for Blusky today, 858. So happy about this one. Massive profit for our FundedSeat, 862. Look at that, guys. Oh, this is looking so nice. Well, you can do good money because you don't have a cap simplistic videos. You can obviously do good money. The only thing is to stick with that sizing. Exactly. You don't want to cross that sizing on a small account. You got to stick to that sizing. And build a buffer, and then of course press the green button, which stands for the payouts. Well, Lucid delivering this in 1 year, close to $500 million in payouts. More than $350,000. More than 350 traders. 350,000 traders. So Lucid is going to get to that 1 million traders by 2027. Oh, it's going to be crazy, Lucid. It's going to be crazy. So they paid out so far close to 500 million. Well, you can think about a revenue. If they paid out close to 500 million, I don't know. I don't think the company is... I can't say I'm sure because I don't have any data. But I don't think the company is having 10% of pure profits based on the value of the payouts. So if they have close to $500,000 in payouts, I don't think they have 50 million profits. I don't think. I'm 99% sure they don't have that. But they might be crossing 10. You know, I'm guessing, speculating. They might be crossing 10 million. With close to 500 million, you should be crossing 10 million in profits, right? Think about a sales. Echo, if you're spamming the chat and repeating the same question, you're gonna get a timeout of a few weeks, if not months. So you're asking the third time the same thing and you're spamming me. You're not gonna get a response. I don't know who's behind that channel. Yeah, I don't know who's behind that channel, but that must be a nasty thing. We're not gonna come up with that thing here. You have to wait or simply get lost. And speak when you're spoken to. Good morning, good day, guys. What's up? What's the view for today? Well, it's FOMC tomorrow. It's just scalping. There's just scalping, buddy, because it's impossible to... I mean, 4 hours daily looks short. 4 hours and daily looks bad. 4 hours and daily looks bad. We've got so many people, you can't believe, guys, so many people coming up, showing up on my direct messages with fake screenshots where they just copy your YouTube username, right? And then claiming and asking accounts and claiming this and claiming that and doing this and doing that, right? It's just the email is not the same on Formula. They don't have that. They cannot have your email, right? And I see for those that create a fresh formula, I see the formula has been created after the giveaway was completed. So there's people doing that. They're hunting this kind of accounts because they can have thousands in pounds. Yes, we're basically checking email, we're checking the user, we're checking if you know the account you actually won. You can't claim something you don't know. Look at the algo. For the Lucid daily, yes, there's different accounts. There's different accounts for Lucid. Depends which one do you need. There is accounts without buffer. The Lucid Flex is without buffer. Make sure to join our Discord community, by the way. You don't want to forget about. Oh, they don't want to learn. They want to hit and run. Thank you so much, by the way, guys, for joining. Appreciate it. This was the 5-minute algo, which means market's going nasty. Look at that. If you would long any of this fake out, you actually got trapped. Any of those fake outs, they were continuously rejecting and pushing the price action back to that top. But we have a massive refusal there. Billie Jeans. Pro has a buffer, yes. So Pro has the buffer. The buffer is your max loss value plus $100. Peter, but we've got some great options on Lucid. Lucid Daily. It's not even appearing on the main page. It's only appearing inside your dashboard, inside your portal. You gotta log into your account, top right corner, right? Here, my portal, top right corner, and then you want to go add account, and then you see Lucid Daily. This is the new plan with daily payouts, uncapped, no consistency, customizable on drawdown and daily loss. You decide which way you want your account. For those of you that haven't seen, we made a video yesterday, a review video on the new Lucid plan. How's the daily intraday drawdown? It is based on unrealized and realized movements your account has. And it stops trailing once you hit your buffer. It stops. Thank you. Yeah, we had a very good day, by the way, today here. Blue Sky 858. This is $1,140 away from a payout stage on Blue Sky, this static account. This one is 1,500 from payout on FundedSeat. And then we're $420 away for our first account on Elite Daily. Market opens in 1 minute, guys. It's harder with intraday. Yeah, that's interesting, Bruno. Thank you for that. Peter, if you don't like trailing, then you go Lucid Pro or Lucid Flex. Lucid Flex is no buffer. Lucid Pro is buffer. Lucid Pro is daily pass. I actually have a video comparing the both. Lucid Pro, Lucid Flex. Posted like 3 days ago on my channel. You can check that out. You'll see everything there. Opens. Market opens in a few seconds. We're going to ring the bell. Best of luck, everyone. Best of luck, chat. Oh, yeah. We're going to trade a contract. We're going to trade a contract. Pro is 1 day pass. And right now, Pro is not having a daily loss limit. This promotion is lasting till the end of the month. So Lucid Pro till the end of the month is no daily loss limit. Because usually that account is having daily loss limit. Yeah, no activation fee, daily pay. And on top of that, Sharky is no cap. So if you do 4,000 in your first day, take that money out. It's wild. I'm longing as soon as the next candle opens. I'm exiting. I'll take the loss. $450. You gotta accept the loss on time. This would have been way more. Another 20 points on my trade. You gotta accept the loss in time. And the market is not gonna care about your desires. It delivers what delivers, but that's it, right? Today's low, 839. I wouldn't be surprised to deal with that, guys, to be honest with you. Look at that, 839. I would not be surprised to deal with that. And I'm happy I got out of my long. I could have been stubborn there. Good morning, good day. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Appreciate it. Yeah. I mean, this is a level on 5 minutes of reaction. The video is running. Made 250, 300 bucks. We're up to 3,900. Traded a single contract long there. We're back to 3,900. Good luck, guys. Careful out there. We're a day away from FOMC, and you know the champion is behind that. Connected, really well connected with heavy, heavy candles. You gotta be prepared for candles that are doing 40, 50 points in 10 seconds. So you have to adjust your sizing accordingly with your buffer and today's conditions. Before you expect making money, it's all about the sizing. Sizing, size down. No accounts and no money have been lost from undersizing. No money have been lost, I'll repeat that, from undersizing. And the undersizing problem and issue is adjustable without losing your account. The oversizing is adjustable, but it comes with the loss of the account. You decide which error you want to do till you find the right way, till you find the right number which fits your strategy, your style, your psychological profile, and all these things. Majority of people start from oversizing, which obviously is most of the time the source of the accounts that disappear, and those nasty emails with your drawdown limit has been hit, we're giving you another 5% discount. I think I'm longing it here. I'm longing it here, guys. A single contract long. I'm being careful. Wow, what a nasty rejection on the 5 minute. You have to see this candle. Look at that. I was expecting some momentum after the red candle we had. That's why I got it at the top of the green candle. I didn't want it to long the top. Good job, guys. Good job. I had no plans longing that top without. We're so close to today's low. I'll be out here. I'll accept the loss, guys. We accepted $700 loss. We're so close to today's low, 839, that it's not worth holding longs here. It's worth holding longs. Levels below 839. Look at that. We're going to that. So we got out on right time. It's already 40 points away from where the place we got out. Yeah, we just made a new low here. I'm testing along right now. Indeed, it's risky. But you never have champagnes without risking in life. And we're risking with risk control. You want a full blast here. 50, 60 points. And I'm gonna get down. Yeah. It is a do or die, exactly, Badger. It's a do or die. It is a do or die situation here. The 5 minute has 20 seconds and it has a nasty closing so far in this candle. What a nasty closing, 10 seconds. We don't have rejections on it at all. In the meantime, we got in along for our Blue Sky, the other evaluation. It's an evaluation account, this one. We're down 1,800. Oh my gosh. That's so weak. Yeah. I'm out on my Lucid, guys. I mean, things could reverse. I'm out on my... Look at that. I'm not out yet, actually. Not out yet. Because things could reverse from here pretty aggressively. Yeah. Let's see if the next candle comes in green. You know, I'm DCing to this. I'm going 2 contracts. Look at that, guys. 8:52 and the account is passed. Attention, please. 8:52 and the account is passed. We're close to pass. Do not stop here. We're 2 minis long. Oh my god. Where's the second candle with all that impulse? Come on, guys. We're gonna have 4,500. We're gonna have 159,000, guys, on this Lucid daily. 8:52. 8:52. Oh, damn. Come on. Are you capable to do something once undercutting here, or this is continuing today? We might be, for that, thousands of points of correction. We might be going for that, guys. We might be going for that 26,400s. Look at that. That was basically a few points away from my target of completing the 9K. Yeah. $26,400 is last year's high. Obviously, way more room for short, but I'm waiting for a little impulse. Green candle, little. 1 minute, nothing spectacular. And I'm out of this. I'll accept the loss, not an issue. We're giving back what we made today. Right, so I'm DCing as soon as the new candle opens, and I'm gonna be out on the green candle. Push higher, push! I'm out here. Yeah. We had to. We had to. So we are 46 bucks profit. We gave back the profit. We were only $400 away from having this account funded. Now it's 4,500. This was going a little deeper without reaction. I didn't mind having a bearish day, yet I did expected some stronger reactions at certain levels. You know, 20, 30 points to the upside. Good morning, good day, guys. Thank you so much for joining. Appreciate it. Keep in mind we're running the giveaways and we're trading our Lucid daily. Wow. Look at those 5-minute candles. Oh yeah. I'll show you the 1 hour. The 1 hour is tremendous, guys. Unless you see a massive wick, forget about it. It's a lot easier to make money on shorts. A lot easier. Alright, so our blue sky evaluation is gone. One account lost today, the blue sky evaluation. Evaluation 200k static. Continuing with the next one. Not the account which is close to the close passing the buffer stage, not that one, but a pure evaluation. So what was London? What was London low? Yeah, I can see it right now. 848. Let me play some Fibonacci with today's high along with... No, let me play Fibonacci with London low and high with the extension downwards. Cheap Fibonacci extension is 640s. Good job on 2000 shorting. Good job. 640s. But you know, this is such a bad price action on the daily, guys, and 4 hours that you look at that. Let me take all the other out this way. Have a look into this, guys. This is such a bad thing. I told you today when we started our stream that I could expect, I'm expecting something similar downwards the way I have encircled for the upside here. Right, so few days of non-stop domination. Look at that. And we might see in the meantime, if that happens, if we go down 26,400, crypto having its last capitulation. Last capitulation. If this happens, if we do 1,400 points here, crypto is going to have its capitulation. Which means not days like we were having today and yesterday for the crypto, but double-digit decreases for the last 24 hours. Double-digit. Happy for you guys, having a great day. Look at that. Are you believing this pumps? You know, we talked about the massive rejection appearing here in the supply. Thank you once again for joining. I'm being cautious here with a long entry. I'm being cautious here. 840s could be one of the targets for the long. Yeah. That's something I'm going to short, guys, the 840s. I'll have a limit order short from 840s. You think they're going to be so nasty driving a V-shaped recovery? No discount for the activation fee. On lunch, no discount. Enjoy your day, Pip Guru. Thank you, buddy. So here we are. Let's get ready to rumble. Is this structure going to hold? I'm deleting my limit order from there. And I'm questioning a little bit. Short. I'm shorting. Yeah, it's risky with a stop loss right above. Right above the wicks. Playing it tight. Right above the 2 wicks we have. Beautiful. Loss accepted. Not an issue. Not an issue. It is reacting as it's supposed. Look at that one, guys. If this is a place. Good job. Thank you. Thank you, guys. If this would be a price, I am longing it here. And I'll have a nice target as a runner. Matty is unstoppable. Matty is unstoppable. Not play games with him. He's unstoppable. Yeah, I've DC it here. Quite tight. Quite tight. But you gotta do what you gotta do, right? Where is the reaction? Bulls. You're not buying that up. Bulls, I have to be out. Why do I get out of my longs in the bottom? If you don't, and it fails, it's another problem, right? If you don't get out and it fails, it's another problem. It's a whole different problem. Yeah, I DC'd right now. And I'm gonna be out on 756.54. Yeah. Come on, guys. Let's go here. Look at that. 3 minis long on this account. This candle has to be green. If this candle is green, we'll do it, guys. We'll do it. It is green for 2 seconds. And then it dies. Look at that. Come on. Give no acceptance below. Do not be silly with all that sell-off. Hate the nail up the coffin and move. We're done with the shorts here. Come on. 755 is what I need. I'm not greedy. I'm not talking about 30,000. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you, bulls? Where is a second candle here? Where is it? Nah. You're getting pressured. You're constantly getting pressured. And you keep the price at do or die level. Having fellas getting out of longs and then you rush. Damn. We're risking, guys. We're risking. This is a risk longing on this levels. It is. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. You know, if we're crossing that level, we're gonna lose the account. And what a lovely green candle we have there as a good sign. This is poorly handled. It's so risky for this. Yeah. We have the daily stop loss limit, 2,700, guys. And we lost 3,500. Look at the slippage. Have a look at the slippage. My daily loss limit is 2,700. And we lost 3,500. 2,700 is the daily loss limit. With the slippage, I lost 3,700. That's $800 extra. This was $400 away from passing the account. Lucid Daily got yesterday, would pass it today, and we would continue trading. Not today, because we have 5 funded from the other cycles. But this is so stupid, right? We're gonna trade the other Lucid Daily. Yeah. The next ones I got. The next ones. 1,038 on Blusky. It's good. This is the ones you were seeing with a slippage is the Lucid accounts. Oh, look at that pump. And now they're delivering on me, guys. Look at that. Now they are delivering. So they just undercut. And we got stopped out on that. On the previous 1 minute candle, we got stopped out. On the previous 1 minute candle. On that doji. That doji is what stopped me out. And we would have had a very good profit here at this point already. Wow. This is what it means with a daily stop losses. This is what it means. Well, we were making a new low there. It's not usual for Quantower this. No. Trade C, yes, but for Quantower, no. It's because we were basically into price discovery of today. A new low was formed. There's a lot of liquidity there and stop losses there. That's why. Look at that. Our long would have nicely played out if that daily stop loss limit, and I would have risked the account. Look at that. It would have been in profit at this point. A massive one. I told you the daily loss limit is not just with advantages. It wouldn't be there. It wouldn't be there if it would be about advantages for the trader. It would not be there. Believe it or not. Alright guys, so we have 17 minutes, 18 minutes to go for the giveaways. How are we setting for our target? Lovely, so far 163 likes. Keep in mind we gotta touch the target, 180 minimum. Also, let me bring my Fibonacci back. Do we have the reversal as we talked exactly on that level? Where's my Fibonacci we talked about? What was the level I was telling you? 640s? I think 640s. I told you. New London high, London low, Fibonacci. Let's do that again, guys. We can find it out. High is 850. Low is 848. Not 2850. 28,050. 27. 848.49. And this is reversing exactly what we talked about on 640s. That's incredible. Wow. This is the level I was preaching some minutes ago. 640s, 640s. Number 2 Fibonacci and the 0.618 with the golden pockets are the most important levels. Wow. Look at that, guys. I've called this one so well and traded something else. I've longed it a little early. Exactly. So you reached your daily loss limit with just a few points and then the market goes your direction and that's when you feel the disadvantage of the stop loss. Yeah. Now I'm gonna long the top because I'm tilted. I am longing the top right now because I'm aggressively tilted. $26,000 today is a little too much. Probably. I mean, what are you guys expecting? A rate pause, right? But what about the statement? That's the important thing. Press conference statement. Press conference, yeah. Wondering how hawkish are they gonna sit on this. We got this daily accounts. Let's have some green tea. We got this daily accounts. We were only 400 bucks away from passing them. Damn. Oh. Nasty price action. Oh yeah. Flashes again. Look at that, guys. I'm gonna attack this one. Believe it or not, I'm gonna attack this one right now. Must be on the right account. Oh yeah. 2 minis long. 2 minis long. And we're gonna go 3 if it goes lower. I'm gonna attack this. This is a Lucid Daily 150,000. Fresh. I'm attacking this one. We haven't traded a funded account yet. We're attacking this one, guys. We're not playing games with the Nasdaq. We're attacking this one for a zigzag bottom. Zigzag bottom, 2 minis long. Give me that $3,000 profit all the way on 757. 3,000 now, 1,500 in the next. And we're back in business. I'm adding a contract here, guys. I'm sitting on 3 minis right now. If it holds, I'm going 4 minis as soon as the new candle opens. I will be going 4 minis if the new candle opens at this levels. If it holds here, oh yeah. Yeah, I'll DCA as soon as the new candle. I'm going 4 minis. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm doing it. 4 minis long. We have a 2,700 daily loss limit. You guys know that. And I'll be trading my next Lucid daily account soon. Evaluation. Come on. 739 is $4,500. 739 is 4,500. You know that's the target rate for 150k. Look at that, guys. One more green candle after these, and we're full blast. Look at that. Don't you dare dumping on me. I'm gonna stop laughing. 739, 739. Go, right now. 739. This makes sense for a triple bottom. Leave the price organic. Yeah, we're going to talk about it intraday too. We're going to talk about it a lot on the stream and have some videos and talk in the meantime. But I want to do videos on the Lucid Daily with strategies and all that, yeah. With the payout rules, because people are still not getting it. Where's the account? Why is the account not appearing on the main page? You got to get into your dashboard and portal. The account is active. So there's a lot to talk about a Lucid Daily. They said, you know, we had a few comments on my video. Hey, Scrembo, when is this going live? We're not seeing on the page. And as soon as I started a video, I told everyone it's discoverable in the dashboard area and portal. It's not discoverable on the main page. Keep it going. This is no way it's reversing here. Nowhere they're dumping on me like that. We're... Take profit soon. Take profit soon. 7. Look at that. Isn't this nasty? Where's the fireworks? No fireworks under these conditions. I guess I have to walk away. There's too much tension here. Well, that's a triple bottom entry requiring a few points for the upside. No breakout, no reversal in trend, no all-time high. Look at that nasty candle. Oh my god, man. That was a few points away from hitting my target. And it's all down. Heavily rigged, guys, today. Heavily rigged. But look at the previous double... yeah, we touched the daily loss limit, 2,800. Yeah, I'm continuing with the next one. I'm gonna long it. 2 minutes from there, 639. I'm gonna long it. Daily loss limit. Staying in my way. Because this is gonna recover, right? Another daily account. 635, that's my entry. 635. If you want to reverse, you need to wick downwards first. 2 minutes long, filled up. Let's see what do we get here, guys. Giveaways will start in 5 minutes. We gotta hit the likes.
We're just about daily loss limits today. I'll be DCing on this. I have 5 minis long. Imagine how aggressive is that. 5 minis long. 677 is my target. If this is getting denied again and run on shorts, it's the last trade for the day. Look at that. Impossible not to touch 677 in the way this whole thing looks. They're not even grabbing over leveraged shorts. All the guys that are FOMO in shorts not even caring about touching their entries and trailings. Forget about, look at that. Yeah, daily losses soon. Nah. Too big of a scam. Yeah. So you're responding to my words. Good job. Keep it going. Keep it going. Wow. This is such a bad price action. Yeah, it's daily loss limit touch very, very soon. Blink of an eye. Blink of an eye. Oh my god. 5 minis. I needed an impulse. I can't stand basically movements like this. Come on, reverse it. You just undercut right now. Time to reverse it. You've undercut. Do not. Yeah, alright. Daily loss limit here. Yeah. And now it's pumped. Nah, you know, gotta stop touching those daily losses here on the fresh accounts. We got 2 daily losses touched on fresh accounts. So overall, the Lucid today, the daily accounts were connected to daily loss limits. But the good business happened on my Blusky and FundedSeat today, which is why I like trading multiple props, not copy trading. This is the best thing. Our 200k static buffer stage, which means you're no longer evaluation, is basically $1,140 away. And we pass it, which will put me in daily payouts. And no consistency. Plus on FundedSeat, guys, we need 1,500 more. And we're ready for payout. So it's still not a bad week. Beautiful. I'm out of my Quant Tower. Good. Time to get ready for the giveaways. Oh yeah. So we have all the conditions needed. Beautiful, guys. You've done a great job. We need a ducks, we need the whale, and we need Formula. Are you guys ready? How long for the first pal? Can't remember that. Maybe 2 months. Maybe 2 months. We got 5 funded on Lucid. I haven't touched that yesterday and today. Not even the minimum $250 to count the days and go for the next payout on 15k. Well, it might look like something around the bear. Correction. Not a bear market, not a prolonged bear market. Nah. But probably we're done with the all-time high for a bit of a time there. Yes, alright guys, so get ready. We have a ton of giveaways, 300k. First giveaway, we'll have 3 accounts of 50k from Blusky. 3 accounts of 50k from Blusky for the first giveaway. Watch out for the numbers. The way you participate is simple. You have to like the video, guys. You have to be subscribed to this YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell. We're streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 AM EST time. 8:20, 8:30 sometimes. With daily streaming, educating, and giveaways. And then you gotta join our Discord, guys. You gotta join the giveaway. What a Discord. And you certainly, if you want to be part, you have to complete the form. I'll give you 10 seconds, guys. Complete the 4 below form right now. The game is simple. You gotta guess the number. You gotta guess the number. A single choice. A single choice. I don't know. The Tech Fitness, there's many accounts writing under your name. 00, 11, 22. And a single 7. You can start right now. 00, 11, 22, and a single 7. We're not close to bear. But it could be the start of something that might look like a bear market. There's gonna be numerous months sitting below 30 grand. Oh yeah. Which is not a problem. That's gonna be the time crypto is going to run. Run, baby, run. A little cycle there. Alright guys, so you want to stop right there. No more guesses, it's over. Stop right there. Shuffle, and here we go. Best of luck, guys. Best of luck there. Oh yeah. Top 3 is going to win. Nasdaq is 670s. That's going to be number 1. I can tell you, congratulations for the winners. It is number 1. Congratulations. Ho, 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 ho. Number 1 for the winner. Good job. Oh yeah. Congratulations. Nice and simple. Nice and simple. 51 winners. We got the names, we got everything here. 30 seconds competition time. As I said, top 3 will keep the account. 150k on Blusky. They actually been online since October 2022. Daniel leading and probably winning. Daniel, congratulations There's Daniel, who's the second. Twister for the second. And Francesco Marasco. Francesco Marasco, an Italian name. We're gonna find out if this guy's filled up the form or they are playing games with us. Daniel. Yes. Twister. Here you are. Congratulations. And Francesco. Francesco is here. Congratulations, guys. Congratulations. You are secured for your 50,000 Blue Sky. Reach out to me on Discord. Continuing with the next one. And we're sharing here. I'll tell you, we're sharing right now a 50,000 Lucid Flex. 50,000 Lucid Flex, guys. Oh. The pants basically on the account. So here we are, 50,000 Lucid Flex, double 7, single 8, and a single 9. Double 7, single 8, and 9. You can start right now. I'm not having black tea, just green tea. It's too powerful, black tea, for me. I'm having close to 1.5 liters a day of green tea. From 6 a.m. all the way to 4 p.m. It's just about green tea. And then switching to oolong. Milky oolong. That's what I'm having. On a 5 p.m. 6 p.m. 5, yeah. Milky oolong. You want to get that. I tried a lot. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. Stop right there. Badger is here. We are spinning. We're spinning, guys. Double 7, single 8, and 9. It's going to be number 7. Or maybe the paddle is not going to stop this. This is going to be number 8, guys. Congratulations for the winners. I'm telling you, this is falling to number 8. Oh. This is rigged. It's rigged, guys. Number 8 on the yellow. Oh my gosh. Number 8 on the yellow. Oh, I can see your names here. Domi, Gypsmith, Rhoda. Or here we are, 54. Fighting for what? They're fighting for a Lucid Flex. Oh yeah, they're fighting. It reduced the winning pool by half. There you go. So who's gonna take this? Oh, the doctor. Pine. Pine the doctor. Pine the doctor. Look at that. Congratulations, Pine. It is yours, Pine. Space Jam on the second. He's trembling right now, wishing Pine didn't fill up the form. But we're gonna find out in a very moment. Pine. Oh, Pine 369 is here. Celebration. Congratulations. Oh my gosh. You were so close, buddy. Beautiful. So we shared 150 in the first one, 200 in this, yeah, 50K now, so 200 totally. And we're sharing 100K right now to make it up for a 300,000 totally. 300,000 today totally. Watch out for the numbers. Watch out. Watch out for the numbers. We're sharing a 25,000 tap on futures instant funded ignite. 25,000 FundedSeat flex for the second, and 50K YRM for the third. Watch out for the numbers, guys. Watch out. We're gonna have a 00, single 177. You can start right now. Let's go. Come on. 00, single 777. Third is paper trading. Take it as a paper trading. We have not been touching and trading YRM for more than a month, since they had those big delays. And the statements remain the same. Keep it going. I can tell you no one is buying. I can tell you. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. Stop right there. Shuffle and we're good to go. Best of luck, guys. Don't stop. Don't stop. Oh, that's going to be the 0. Congratulations, guys. It's the 0. It's the yellow 0. It is. Oh, we got to shuffle this. Have a look at the numbers the way they're listed. 70017. They're not in the row. We're 0077, 001, and 77. Congratulations for the winners. Oh, there is a ton here. 91. Look at that. 91. Competing for this 3 accounts. You guys will compete for a minute, and I'll tell you the way we distribute the winners. The first one is not going to win anything. The first one. No. Second one plus 10th plus 50. These are the guys. Second, 10th, and 50. Second, 10th, and 50. So do not dare winning this race is useless. There's no point. There's no point. Who's speeding up? Who's speeding up? Columbia speed. Columbia speed. But we have Litter BC actually on the second. So Litter BC is having a winner here. Litter BC. Space Jam on the 4th. Look at that. How dare you? Amongst the top. Frank on the 10th. Frank. Our French guy. Daily on the stream. Look at that. Frank winning a FundedSeat 25,000. Litter BC winning a Tap 1 Futures Ignite account instant funded. Oh. And who is rank 50? Merci beaucoup. 50 is Banax. Banax. You got to be punished with a YREM account. We're kidding. Have a good time, buddy. Banax. But we gotta see if this guy's filled up the form. Wait. Banax, did you filled up? Yes, congratulations on that. Banax. Frank. Frank is here. Congratulations. And a second one, Litter. Oh, yes. Beautiful. Space Jam, ye have won an experience. A massive experience of trading and gambling on the ducks. Beautiful day, guys. We had a beautiful day, except what happened on Lucid pushing me on that account. I was $400 away having my elite daily funded. $400 away having it. We made 8,600 yesterday and today. And it disappeared. But we've advanced very nicely on Blusky and FundedSeat. We're still trading with Tap 1 Futures, Savius, all these guys. Yeah, but we've had time today, even my funded Lucid. Thank you so much, guys. Continuing in Discord, winners reach out to me. Check out the videos I posted yesterday. We're going to have more videos coming around the Lucid Dairy. There's a lot to talk about it. Thank you, guys. Have a beautiful day out there.